Hello guys, we are going to make a plutonium bomb today. First, go get ceramic and make a medium-sized circle. And put a hole in it. And pause the screen. Next, go get plutonium and fill the hole with it. After that, make a small hole in the plutonium. Next, go get thunder and fill the hole with it. Then unpause it and see it blow up. And this is a bonus one. Get breakable clone and make a small square block with it. Pause the screen and get thunder and make it a little bit bigger than the breakable clone. After that, unpause the screen and look it blow up. That is it for today, guys.